What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Today I wanted to be coming at you, as I promised when I installed my coilovers, my new ones. I was gonna do a review on them. So this is an old one I have laying here from the broken set, just to guide you through with some references. I will be reviewing the AP coilovers, the GF80 004. Those are for my Volkswagen MK3. The first thing I want to go at is the ride height. You can get them as low as 2 centimeters off the ground, which is a little less than 1 inch. It's really low, especially in Belgium where I live. That is too low to be able to drive with. So for you guys who want to go low, it's a great set to go with. You can go as low as 2 centimeters or a little less than half an inch without removing the top spring, the little one. You can remove it so you can go lower. 2 centimeters is a lot of low, so probably won't be needed. The ride on them is really soft. I enjoy riding on them. It's not too bouncy. It's pretty close to stock except the stiffness. So that's what makes it a really nice set also. The ride quality, it's the same route. Rides really great. It offers a lot of quality when driving down the street. Only when you got a lot of potholes you can't really go around. You get some nasty bounces, but on normal driving and pretty okay roads, this set performs top notch. So what else? I wanna discuss some technicalities with you guys. Main difference is the threads. As you can see on the old set, the cheap set, if I can get it in focus, we have very small threads. That's, I think, the reason mine broke. You also have a ring to set the height with and a locking ring, so that's also not that nice. The bushings on the old set are great. This already broke after 2 months of use, so this thing is useless. Now I'm gonna show you how the threads and everything looks like on the new AP set, so you can spot the differences and maybe understand why the AP is a lot better than the set I have. As you can immediately notice, the threads on these are a lot bigger. They won't get stuck with any dirt inside of it. You also notice there's only one ring. This ring is for setting the height, and you have a locking screw right in here. I'll try to get it in focus. It's not easy, but maybe like this. Yeah, there's a screw inside to lock the mechanism up. Threads are thicker. All the parts up here are still in good shape. So they're a lot nicer looking overall too. So the last thing I wanted to be talking to you about is the price point. This set came in at 200 euros, which would be $220 to $230. The AP set was 500 euros, which is almost $600. It's still not a very expensive set, but you get it, it's high priced. Is it worth it? Totally. It will probably last a lot longer than these ones, plus the quality and comfort of the ride you get I wouldn't want to buy another cheap set like this ever again. I'll also always be getting the more expensive ones to be sure I also have a comfortable ride, just not to go low. If the only thing you want is low and do not really care about how it drives, go cheap. Just go cheap. But if you care a little bit about the ride quality, buy the more expensive one. Even I'm talking about AP here. That's a brand I know which is good quality and offers their products at a not that high price point. They're also a company related to KW, which is in the racing industry, so I didn't think I could go wrong there. In the US I know you have Time and stuff like that, which are great brands. I unfortunately could not get one here. But as I said, I would pick the more expensive set above this crappy set all day, every day. But that's just my opinion. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. You go cheap on the coilovers, or do you guys prefer to go a little more expensive on them to have a more quality ride? Let me know below. And that will wrap it up for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, drop that comment down below I asked you for. Be sure to subscribe to see my next video. If you really don't want to miss it, be sure to hit the notification bell. But for now, I am out.